Welcome to Fabby John's, the joy of decorating. Spring, a season of new beginnings, renewal and growth, a chance to start anew. Let's start by tidying up the entryway. Add a clean doormat and clean the outside, mop and sweep, and add a little plant or flowers to your entryway. Clean the glass on the door so that there's no dirt left from winter. Refresh your decor. Swap out heavy winter fabrics for lighter linens or cottons. Add florals through pillows, rugs, or wall art. Hang fresh curtains or wash your existing ones. Make a DIY room spray with essential oils. Or use your own natural things that you have at home, like lemons, rosemary, lavender. I'll give you a few recipes so that you could use at home today to bring spring into your home. Get lime, mint, and vanilla in simmer pot. Ingredients: 2 limes, 2 to 3 sprigs of mint, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Fill a small pot with water. Add the lime slices, mint, and vanilla. Bring to a boil. Then reduce the heat to low simmer. Let it simmer for several hours, adding water as necessary. Refrigerate between use and keep up to 3 days. Recipe number 2. Lemon, rosemary, and lavender, and simmer in pot. Ingredients: 2 medium lemons, 2 tablespoons dried lavender, and 2 to 3 sprigs of rosemary. Fill a small pot with water. Add the lemon slices, rosemary, and lavender. Bring to a boil, then reduce the heat to low simmer. Let it simmer for several hours, adding more water as needed. Refrigerate between uses and keep up to 3 days. Number 3. Use orange, rosemary, and vanilla. Simmer pot. Ingredients: 1 to 2 oranges, cut in slices. 2 to 3 sprigs of rosemary. 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Fill a small pot with water. Add the oranges, rosemary, and vanilla. Bring to a boil, then reduce the heat to low simmer. Let it simmer for several hours, adding more water as needed, and refrigerate between uses. Keep up to 3 days. Let the fresh air in. Open windows to improve air circulation. Add air purifying plants like peace lilies or snake plants. Here is a practical spring refresh checklist to help you get your home feeling clean, bright, and ready for the season. Deep clean and declutter. Declutter each room. Dust ceiling fans and vents and light fixtures. Wash windows and windowsills. Clean curtains or wipe down blinds. Shampoo carpets or clean rugs. Mop and polish floors. Clean baseboards and walls. Refresh linens and beddings. Switching to a lighter fabric. Clean out fridge and pantry. Check for expiration dates. Wipe down cabinets and backsplash. Deep clean oven and microwave. Organize drawers and utensils. Replace sponges and dish towels. Bedroom update. Rotate or flip the mattress. Wash pillows or replace if needed. Swap heavy blankets for lighter ones. Bring in spring colors with cushions or throws. Clean upholstery and cushions in the living room. Add fresh plants or flowers. Switch out drapes for sheer curtains and cotton or linen, and update your seasonal accents for spring ones. After all this, now it's time to sit down and enjoy the season. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.